This 2022 Forest River XLR Boost 37TSX13 is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, you'll immediately notice your kitchen. Here you have a sink, a 3-burner gas cooktop with an oven and a range hood, a convection microwave, and a fridge. Across from this, you'll find your sofa, which has a perfect view of your entertainment center. Next to all of this, you'll find the loft bed. And in the back of the trailer is your garage for toy hauling. There is a motorized lift system for a bed and 2 sofas that also fold into beds. Also in your garage is a half bathroom. In the front of the trailer is your master bedroom with a king-size bed. By your entry door, you'll see your control panel, generator control, and solar charge controller. Returning outside, make note of the location of your generator, as well as your exterior shower, water connections, power hookup, fuel dispenser, and ladder. On the entry side, you have 2 entry doors and 2 exterior speakers. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.